Hello people, I'm Ashley here. Welcome to my channel. Anyway, I hope you having a nice day. But I know I said I will do a, a video of me singing today, but I changed my mind because I would like to do a burping video first. So I will do a um singing video tomorrow instead. So yeah. Um I got some pop with me. I got some pop on my I got some pop on the floor. So yeah. Uh, I will get it. So open it. Ready? Here you goes. That's it. Anyway, I hope you like this video, and I will see you tomorrow. Sorry, just had sorry, just coughed. uh, I will see you tomorrow, and hope you're having a good day today, or a good night tonight. Well, now, well, wherever you are, have a good time, and I will see you tomorrow. And don't forget to leave comments and share my videos and leave a like, and that. Bye people.